Hey guys, welcome back to a quick video today. There's gonna be an echo because I've got the room torn apart. I'm here in my basement and I had laminate floor in this room before and it had come apart. It wouldn't stay together. And that's because the slab underneath here is uneven. Now I had the padding and stuff down that you put under laminate flooring. Didn't smooth anything out for me, right? So I have to level this floor, and I've watched all the horror stories online, so I wanted to walk you through real quick what I've tried to do to prepare. I have this fairly straight board, and I would lay it across the floor here in various areas, and you can see by my paint markings on the floor, like this area right in here, there's a dip, and it's a very small dip, like not even a 1/4 inch, probably 1/8 of an inch maybe. And then it gets high here, and then I have another dip that come in right here, and then it slants from this point on over to the wall. So I got a theory on how I need to put my leveling down. I just bought one bag for now. I'm probably gonna need more than one bag, but I'm gonna try to do this section over here, since it doesn't take much to do what we need to do, and try it out and see how it works. And then the weekend is coming up here in a couple days, so I might go buy the rest of the leveler there. But just a quick update on how I prepped for floor leveling. I'll do an update video to show how this turned out and what problems there were, but this was my prep. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.